Now we're looking at matching lines that contain any of some regular expressions. So to match lines that contain any of a number of regular expressions, you specify each of the regular expressions to search for between alternation operators, such as backslash or pipe, as a regex to search for. Okay, so we're going to do that on the file book, and we're going to look for either the patterns the book or cake. Okay, now guys, if we remember from our bash scripting, pipe does actually mean or, right? We would normally do a double pipe if we're doing a bash script. In this case, we're doing a single pipe, and it's going to mean or. Okay, now if we were just on the regular command line, pipe would actually feed the standard output of one thing into the standard input of the other, right? So that's actually why we're using this backslash character here, is we want to escape the normal meaning of pipe, and we want it to mean or in this case. Okay, so we're going to look for the patterns the book or cake in the file book. Okay, so let's go and do that. Grep single quote the book backslash pipe cake single quote book, and there we go. We find the book. We also find cake. Okay, in this case we had both, so it gave us both. Okay, now if only one of these was present, it would still give me one of them, right? Because we're saying or. Find the book or cake. Okay, so that's how you're going to find any of some regular expressions.